toys.
He served 2 fucking tours on that rat!
I was 19 years old and I went and fought over there, and you didn't do shit about that, did you?
On the 16th of June 2025, deputies responded to an airport disturbance involving an intoxicated couple. The male subject, a combat veteran with 2 tours of service, had been drinking at the airport. What followed raises serious questions about First Amendment rights, probable cause, and use of force.
Listen, because I'm not doing anything wrong.
You're being drunk.
Okay.
And people are complaining about the way you're acting. So when you're in a place like this, a critical incident place, you have to act appropriately. You're not come in drunk, right? That's how things work here.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna call the airlines. They're gonna come over and ask you a few questions.
Okay.
If they don't want you to fly, you will not be flying tonight.
Okay.
There we go.
Rock on. I'm acting up? I'm acting up?
See what I'm saying? You need to calm down.
No, for real. I'm acting up? How am I acting up? They made me act up.
The lead deputy's opening was textbook de-escalation. Calm tone, clear consequences, no immediate assertion of force. He gave the subject a path to compliance. This is the standard. As the subject grew more provocative, he criticized the deputy's authority, equipment, and job performance. Under City of Houston versus Hill, 1,987. This speech, however, hostile, is constitutionally protected. Criticizing police is not a crime.
Security.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I don't give a
These people have all the power, man.
Yeah, all the power.
All the power. Look at all that stuff he's got on his chest, man.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
Shoot me.
No,
Taser me.
Come on.
Yeah,
He's got a lot of stuff on his chest.
I don't give a
He's powerful, man. You got a lot of stuff on your chest, so you're in charge. What is that, a camera?
Yeah.
Walkie-talkie? He got a gun. He's got a gun. He can kill us. He could kill us at any moment if he wanted to.
Woo! I love it.
What? I don't have
I don't give a I don't care. What are they going to do?
They call spirit.
What
Just
are
wait
they
for spirit
gonna
just to
do?
say hey, and then it's called.
I mean, I would just have him here just for just at least
No,
one.
this is bullshit. This is bullshit. Because people are complaining.
They like everybody to be sheep. They like everyone to move in the same thing. You know, like they don't like people like questioning their actual.
Because they actually have personality and don't give a People are complaining. People are complaining.
I know they're mean.
Because there's people that are assholes.
They're mean people.
I don't give a
This is not the time to be angry.
I don't care.
Look, they're gonna.
What am I gonna do? Arrest us?
I don't know. Probably arrest you. They have all the power to do all that stuff.
Go for it, dude. Arrest me.
Can I sit next to her?
No, just stay there if you don't mind.
No, just stay there if you don't mind.
Stay there.
Because they have control. They have control. They have control.
Can't stop me from
Don't kiss me because they have control. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
We bought the alcohol here at the airport.
He understands.
This is my first time flying. My bad.
He questioned if I was even in Iraq. What a piece of shit. What a piece of shit to ask if I was
Shut
even
up,
in
Aaron.
Iraq. Did 2 tours.
He served 2 tours on that rat.
You really shouldn't even have a job.
Shut up, Aaron.
I don't even know why you did.
I'm drunk. I'm sorry. I'm drunk. This is my first time flying in, first time flying out.
First time flying.
I got drunk. I'm sorry.
And I personally don't respect any of you people because I don't
Shut
think you
up,
should have a job.
Aaron. Shut up. Don't say that.
I don't think you should have a job because
Stop
it's
it.
all stupid.
Stop. Ignore him.
Yeah, what do you do? Call people? You didn't stop 9/11, did you? You didn't. No, you didn't. You didn't stop 9/11, did you? You didn't. You didn't.
Too much to drink, so.
Yeah,
Exactly.
you didn't stop it, did you? I was 19 years old and I went and fought over there, and you didn't do shit about that, did you? Yeah, you should be ashamed of yourself, honestly. You should really be ashamed of yourself because you didn't do that. No, but whatever. You got me though, don't you?
Calling somebody. Check me out, baby.
You drank at the airport. You got drunk at the airport. They served us drink on the plane.
It's okay. It's fine. Because I didn't do anything wrong.
You know, if we can go and leave, I guess. Yeah. What are you gonna do? Send us to Guantanamo?
I'd give you that look too.
Look at this green. What's that?
Oh, look at this guy.
Look at all the stuff he's got on you. What's in the fanny pack, dude? What's in the fanny pack?
No, shut up. I like
You
this.
got Snickers bars in there or something?
Shut up.
I think they're too drunk. I don't think their jobs are necessary, honestly. Look at all these x-rays and shit. They didn't stop 9/11, dude.
Can I have my shoes?
Yeah, we'll get it for you.
They'll get them to you if they feel like it. Look how his
your
chest.
shoes?
Look,
The leopard
look,
ones?
baby.
Yeah.
Look how his knee is slightly bent.
Shut up.
He's ready.
Shut up, Aaron.
He is in the ready
Shut up.
position. The ready position to what? Defend yourself against me?
Okay.
I have to.
That's
You
his
won't have to,
fucking
dude.
job. Shut up, Aaron. Shut your up.
What's up? We need to escort them out.
Stuff, let's go. Grab your stuff.
Put your shoes on.
Grab your stuff. Well, we getting arrested.
Sir, get your stuff and let's go. If I repeat myself, you go in handcuffs, you spend the night in the county jail.
I don't want
Put
to
your
do
shoes on and get out.
Trying to do that. Baby, calm down. They're getting real serious with us. I don't understand why.
So,
Just calm down, please, baby.
The First Amendment protects offensive speech directed at officers unless it creates an imminent breach of the peace. What this subject is saying is offensive. It is not illegal. His references to military service and his challenge that officers didn't stop 9/11 remain protected regardless of tone. The legal question is not what he said, it is what he did.
All the way down, now. Guys, you go home, go.
what's your name?
Listen,
Is there anything you can
I'm the
do?
supervisor
No,
working the airport tonight.
It's the only thing I want
I'm
to
the
do.
supervisor working tonight. There's no way you're coming in. The only thing you can do is make it work.
Hands on me.
All right?
Ma'am, come down.
Tomorrow.
Lift your hands off me.
Babe, no,
All right, now. Hey, hey, back up. Back up.
I don't want to say. Baby,
I'm going home.
Enter the air.
I'm going home. I'm going home.
turn around. Turn around.
Roll over. Sit up. Roll over, sit up. What you did wrong, run it back in. Sit up.
I was just trying to go home.
Sit up. Sit. Get up.
Why?
Come on.
Why?
Come on. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Come on, let's go out. Let's go. Grab your phone. Let's go.
My breath is going out.
Let's go. Let's go.
Why? 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 What did I do to you?
One detainee, you can send it here.
What did I do to you? I don't understand. What did I do? Please don't do me. Please, I just want to go home.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Anybody else? Get a wheelchair. Linares, get a wheelchair. Wheelchair.
I just want to go home.
He's in a
Just
wheelchair.
let me go home. Let me go home. Let me go home. Please. Please, 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 please. I'll leave. I'll leave. I'll leave. Please don't take me to Mexican jail. Please. I just want to go home to my
Linares, a little faster.
I have a little boy.
You need a care? We're going to put her on a wheelchair.
Please, I have a little boy. What did I do to you, dude? Oh, what did I do? What did I even do to you? Oh my God!
Hey,
Relax yourself.
Let me out of here, mother!
Relax.
Let me out of here, Diego!
Turn face down. Face down. Fuck. No. Give a spit hood.
I spit on
No, you just spit on me. Keep your face down. Keep your face down. Keep your face down, Carl. She's spitting. Don't let her spit on you.
no, run against her. Let's go. We're just doing something.
Okay.
Yes, you did. Backwards, backwards. Let's go. Hold on. Stand
She peed herself. Yeah, but you can tell there's nothing.
Graham versus Connor requires force to be judged on 3 factors: severity of the crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether he was actively resisting. The standard is objective, reasonableness, not perfection, not hindsight. The deputy issued a clear, final order to leave. The couple initially complied. Under Florida law, returning after that order constitutes trespass. The moment they came back, their legal exposure changed entirely. The subject is on the ground. He asks why repeatedly disorientation, not defiance. The mechanics of the takedown are not fully visible on this recording, which is a critical gap in the proportionality analysis. Post-takedown, the subject pleads to go home and references his child. These are expressions of fear, not continued resistance. However, an officer states the subject spit on him if accurate. That is, battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida law, regardless of intent. 3 decision points define this encounter. First, when the subject admitted intoxication, deputies had clear probable cause to detain immediately. A narrated arrest before the reconfrontation would have closed the legal gap cleanly. The female companion was charged with trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly intoxication, and battery on an officer. Both the trespass and intoxication charges are well supported. The battery charge depends on conduct not fully captured in this recording. The lead deputy receives a B+ strong de-escalation, professional composure, clear communication. Short of an A because force justification at the takedown is not fully documented on camera. 4 lessons this incident teaches. First, knowing your rights is not enough. You must know how to use them. The subject understood his speech was protected. He did not understand that protection ends the moment conduct replaces words. Constitutional rights and tactical decisions are 2 different things. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.